Sleigh bells dangling from my Prince Albert, baby, yeah. Sleigh bells jingling, shama-lama, ding-a-ling-a-ling. When I pierced it, I really wasn't thinking about peace on earth and Christmas. When I pierced it, the last thing on my mind was the virgin birth of Jesus. Sleigh bells dangling from my Prince Albert, baby, yeah. Sleigh bells jingling, shama-lama, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Sleigh bells dangling from my Prince Albert, baby, yeah. Sleigh bells jingling, shama-lama, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Do you have any holiday wishes for these folks?
I can show you my sleigh bells down below. And I know we got so much time to go. So around my belly I dangle mistletoe. And get ready for a white Christmas with no snow. Oh. I love when your face is in my crotch. Oh yeah. Don't worry about my elf on the shelf, he likes to watch. And I don't see any signs of me gonna stop. We can go all night till my Prince Albert flops.
Come on,
take it away.
Sing it out. Sleigh bells jangling from my Prince Albert, baby, yeah. Sleigh bells jingling, shama-lama, ding-a-ling-a-ling, yeah. One more time, sing along. Sleigh bells dangling from my Prince Albert, baby, yeah. Sleigh bells jingling, shama-lama, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad.
Could you imagine this hanging from your cot?
Feliz Navidad and Prospero Año hanging from my cot.
It's a lot heavier than it looks, I promise. I make this look easy.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad.
Are those as loud as I think they are?
Prospero Año hanging from my cot. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my cock. Yeah!
It's what we do and we love doing it.
Peace on earth.
And we love you.
Hey.